Hi, fine. The FIFA World Cup is here in our backyard. Is David Beckham ready? I suppose he thinks he can build it like Beckham.
Oh, hey, Josh. Here to help?
You got this. Brilliant move here. David's going to the Home Depot for the assist. Spare covers in just one coat so David can paint it like Patricia. You know you missed a spot, right? Rip it like Rich. Hey, don't get sawdust in my drink. Deliver it like Dan.
My beehives. You have to try this. This is so relaxing.
This?
Yeah.
Plant it like Paige. There you go. Great work, guys. Keep it up.
Or watch it all happen just like Josh.
Very happy to help.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah! Wait, is that offsides? I don't understand offsides. Explain offsides to me.
That wasn't offside.